Is your business ranking higher than your competitors? This short and sweet video continues to inspire an ever-growing number of small businesses and business people. They are saying, "I get it now why video is a key factor on the internet." Video ranks higher when it's compatible with multiple devices, as video definitely ramps up the kudos of any company online. Greetings, we are Dave and Chris. The internet is a phenomenal marketing tool for increasing a business's conversions and sales. With that in mind, we create image-based videos, Facebook video covers and much more. We strive to convincingly ramp up the kudos of businesses on the internet. Businesses are unnecessarily falling way short of what is achievable for their business or themselves online. At first glance, a picture next to written text can be somewhat off-putting. Too much writing is contributing to why video has a 47% higher click-through rate. It is well documented that video has many more advantages over text. People are prone to continue watching and listening to learn more before clicking away from videos. This recent screenshot demonstrates why our kudos might be the envy of our competitors. The picture shows our ranking position, where the business is found, and how video stands out on the browser page. We all know the importance of first impressions. The purpose of anything that can be found on the internet should inspire browsers to delve more in-depth into what's on offer. An evoking image like this chicken satay teepee could inspire an immediate buying impulse. Bear in mind to always put the customer's desire first, that's if you intend to achieve success. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Bear in mind subtitles can describe what you want to embellish in each image. Video should intrigue internet browsers to delve more in-depth into what's on offer. Video instinctively taps into basic human instincts and emotions, much quicker than text. Viewers who connect with the vibe of a video generally respond favorably. Internet browsers display by ranking. The way businesses are seen depends on the content of the website. The text, pictures or video is key. Video is enticing, it inspires browsers to delve more in-depth into what's on offer. Recap. Subtitles on images can deliver a lasting impression. Picture video is a cost-effective method that connects companies with viewers' impulses, buying emotions without having to actually be there in person. Time stands still for no one. Typewriters became obsolete when desktop computers superseded them. Message us your website link now. Customer satisfaction is our paramount concern. Send us a message with your website link, and we'll create a demo video that you'll see why it is able to ramp up your internet business vibe.